what we found? A cow. Here cow lives. And this is how cow looks like. You know, cow lives in farms, in a shed or barn. A group of cow is called a herd. Cows gives us milk daily to drink. So whenever you drink milk, thank a cow. Cow makes a sound moo, moo. Can you repeat with me? Moo, moo.